Hello, football lovers. I greet you all. If it is your first time here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification. So you notify next time I drop the video. So please like. So the data updated you today is that Bole Mode is aware of the challenges his former team possess. Mode said, Golden Arrows is a good team. And with their new coach, they've like I have different approach. However, we focus on our game plan, and we have a confidence that we can get a result. He told the club media. We are aware that the league is entering its final stretch, and we need to be consistent in our performances, he says. We are confident that we can make a strong finish of the season. We are currently 8th on the table, but we still a chance to finish in the top 4. He notes, we'll be facing teams that we are above us, and that's great opportunity for us to make up ground. I think, to be fair, we have been playing a good football, but we need to work on winning games and scoring goals, he says. As a forward, I know that I need to contribute more in terms of goals. We strive to win all the games that we are remaining, to give our best into the team. At the beginning of the season, I faced challenges adapting to the new coach and staff. However, I think for me to be on form at this time of the season, it's because I have been working hard and improving where I was lacking, he explained. For me, it's all about hard work. Each time I play, I give all best for the team, because it's only for 90 minutes. So as a player, you just have to give all your best, and after that you will see the good results, he concluded. So if you are new here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification, so you notify next time I drop the video. And please rewrite your thoughts on the comment section.